everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I have just a little haul for you today because quite honestly I couldn't find anything new and I just really didn't want to waste my Dollar Tree money on things that we've already seen or I've already hauled before. There are a couple of repeat items, however I've already used some of them, but I saved the bags so I can show you what they are. So we're going to get started on this little tiny haul. So first thing I got is salt and pepper. I always buy my salt and pepper from Dollar Tree because, I buy the sea salt or the pink Himalayan sea salt from Dollar Tree, and any of the grinders that you find in the grocery store, you're not going to be able to find less than $1. Now, I told you I was trying this Dollar Tree coffee, and I bought it a couple of weeks ago, and you know what, guys, it's really good. So I got another bag of that. And then I picked up 2 of these. This probably isn't the best buy, but at the same time I needed it, and I needed it to be inexpensive. And so I picked up this Farmhouse Natural dog food. I picked up a couple of them. It is deboned beef and barley recipe, no corn, wheat, or soy, no artificial colors or flavors, no artificial preservatives, no byproducts, with prebiotics and probiotics, made in the USA. This was, you get 12 ounces for $1. Now, the normal grain-free dog food I buy in the 10-pound bag is $14. So, I don't know. There you go. I mean, this is not quite a pound, but for just really quick and easy to kind of stretch the dog food I already have, it works great, and the dogs liked it. And I feel good about giving it to them because it's made without corn and stuff in it, which my big dog Ricky is allergic to corn, so I can't give that to him anyway. So I feel like in a pinch, this probably is a good deal in a pinch. But I know that it's good for my dogs, and that's what counts. Then parchment paper. I always get my parchment paper and stuff from the Dollar Tree because I just think it's a good deal. You get 25 yards or 25 feet, and I like it. It works really well. All right, the next thing I got, which I really didn't purchase, that was given to me by Dollar Tree to do a video review on. Now, I said if you watched my Monday morning coffee yesterday that I wasn't sure about this, but I was given this drain. It's called the Drain Rooter, and I was asked to review that. I'm going to review it. I don't know necessarily I'll do a video using it because, that's kind of gross sometimes. But they asked me because I have longer hair, and my hair falls out when I take a shower, and inadvertently it goes down the drain, which makes my drain slow to drain itself and stuff. So I am going to try this out and see how it works. And I don't know if I'll do a video with it or not, but I'll do a video to let you know how it works. And it's the Drain Rooter. It seems pretty, pretty sturdy, pretty flexible, so we'll see. Now let's move on to some crafty stuff. So I picked up one of these white candles. This is just a plain white one because I'm going to be doing my DIY with it on Wednesday, tomorrow. And I'm going to be melting this down and showing you how I make my little wax melts, the little tiny dots. And I'm also going to be making some little cubes, and I'll show you how to do that, recycling packaging. And then, so that'll be out on Wednesday. So make sure you stay tuned in for that. So then the only other things I found was on the stationery aisle, which they're really cute, you guys. So I found another one of these unicorn pens hanging to the door. My friend Michelle said she wanted a pink one, and I decided to pick one up for her. Michelle, I'm sorry I did not get my entry in for your challenge, but I'm still sending it to you. It's just late. Okay, so then I found some cool planner stuff. This isn't planner stickers, this is planner stuff. And now look how cute these are. Now, I am making these prayer notebook kind of things Bible notes, prayer notes and stuff, and I showed you on a video on one of my lives, one of them that I was making, and I had shown you previously one that I made. And I thought these were adorable. I have 3 nieces that I'm making them for. Look at these. These huge paper clips with the pom-poms on them. How cute is that for $1? And I just thought those were so cute. And they look really good. I'm not ashamed to admit I took stuff out of the package at the Dollar Tree before I invested $1 in it. So it's on there really well. It's wrapped around there, so it does rotate. But see, it's wrapped around the thing. It's just not glued onto the paper clip. So good job, Dollar Tree. So I got that. And then they have elastic bands now, book bands. So I picked up this one. I thought this would go well with one of mine. I would have picked up 2 more, except they didn't have any more. This was the only one that I could find. And I thought, what a perfect closure to go around the books. So I did pick up that one. And then they have these little things that says make today count. And it's got things like errands, chores, appointments, don't forget. And you get 50 of them in a sheet. And they're quick to point out that it says binders in the stationery set. They didn't have any of the small binders this would fit in. But these are really cute. And I thought 50 of them, I could, if I find that this was the only pack I could find. So if I go back, maybe I'll pick up another one. I'm just going to split these between the 3 of them, I guess. And then also they have calendars. There's 30 sheets, weekly planner pages, look like this. And I picked up a couple of those to split. Oh, there's the unicorn pin label. So I picked up a couple of them. I just thought, wow, this is really cool. And there again, they didn't have a lot of them. I guess other people thought they were cool too. But they look like this. They're not the thickest in the world, but they are cute. Each page has, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever on there. And so you kind of have to watch how you stick them in the package. But, stick them in your binder so you get the days right on them. But I thought they were pretty cute for $1. And I think they'll look nice in the binders. And then the other thing I found, so I picked up 2 of those. Now I wanted 2 of these, but they only had 1. It says just a note. It's just like note paper that you can write notes and stuff in. These would be great in the journal. So I'm going to split these up and give them 10 sheets each, plus the 10, more sheets that I have, the plain paper. But I thought these were really cute. So there's 30 sheets in a pack. And it is double-sided. And then I picked up, this goes with it as well. These are pocket dividers. And so they come in. Now these are actually pretty sturdy. Now I will have to say, I also found little tab divider sheets, the kind that just the sheet with a little tabby on the end of it. I took those out and they were flimsy as all get out. They were not as thick as cardstock. I can make those on my own for them, which I've made some in the book already, and they were just not that great. But you only get 2 in a package of these, so you get one like this that says Dream Big, and it has a pocket in the front, and the back does not have a pocket. And then this is the other one that says Happiness Blooms from Within. And it looks like this, and it's plain on the back. Now, if you want to, you can cut cardstock and add another pocket to the back, which is probably what I plan on doing. So I did pick that up, and I would have picked up another one of these had they had them, because those, I don't know if it's worth $1 for just 2 of them, but they're really cute. And if you're going to do a planner, you could set a whole planner up with this. But I would suggest the Dollar Tree knows I'm very honest in my opinions. But I would not waste my money on the tab dividers. I just wouldn't, because they're very flimsy. They're not even as thick as the note paper are, and I just feel like they would tear up very easily, wear and tear, opening and closing the book. These, on the other hand, are very sturdy. And these are distributed by Dollar Tree, so they're Greenbrier, but it says Three Birds Design, but they're distributed by Greenbrier. So I feel like you could get these if you really wanted to order them online. And then on the sticker aisle, they're not an exact match, but I just thought they were really cute. I found these alphas, and they're like little flowers. Sorry about the glare. And I thought these are really cute. So I just picked up one of those. You get 79, so you get a couple of capital A's and like 4 little A's, and so it seems like enough that I can be able to do 3 little binders from just one, but we'll see. So that is my little haul. I told you I didn't get much because I didn't find much. But let me know what your favorite thing was. I'm always, like I said, I'm always very honest with you. If I don't think something's worth $1, I'm going to tell you. And then I'll let you know about the drain rooter thingy. See if it works. And make sure you come back tomorrow to check out my DIY with the wax. And if I have time, I'm also going to show you another little DIY, another little thing that I use for the shower. So, alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. And have a good day. Bye.